reservations. I'm gonna go say hi to them.
Spider-Man.
Can I get some high five?
There you go.
You guys want to walk with me? Walk with me.
One on this side, one on this side.
And yours? One right here. I'm Spider-Man, but probably do that, right? Yeah. Are you having fun today on campus? We do a little web fling for Dad.
You guys want to give him a quick hug?
A little quick hug, absolutely.
There you
I'll
go.
catch you girls later, all right?
Thanks, Spider-Man.
No problem.
You're a G, bro.
How you doing, dude? You want me to sign that for you? Pretty cool. Like, where do you want me to sign? Take your hand there. Over here. Back against that.
He works on the guns, yeah. Spidey squats.
Spidey squad.
I gotta keep moving right after this, guys.
Adrián, ponte. Así como tu hermano.
Yeah, I gotta do this right now.
Adrián, voltea.
Cheese! Nice. Alright, nice job.
10 more Spidey
I'll catch you later.
Dale un abrazo, dale un abrazo.
Hi, Spidey. My Spidey senses are tingling.
Spider-Man.
His union's calling.
Union breaks over.
Cut him right.